Good morning, ma'am and sir. My question is to both of you. Sir, why you need to be a civil servant? This might be the interview question for every one of us.
And so you have to figure it out on yourself, right?
No, in that my doubt was that at least 70% people have the personal thing to say, but what to say practically in the interview, and what you people said.
Actually, this is a very tricky question because everyone has their own personal reason. एक जो होता है कि क्योंकि जैसे मैंने अपनी जर्नी बताई कि जब मैंने फ्लिपकार्ट में जॉब करना शुरू किया, then I realized कि private job is very good, but I could not see myself doing that job for another 10-20 years because I thought कि this is not up to my potential. My potential lies somewhere into nation service, nation building, and I wanted to explore those kinds of areas. तो इस वजह से मैंने जो है ये पाथ चुना आने के लिए. बाकी सबका अपना एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म तो है ही, एक अच्छा करियर ऑप्शन है, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है. मतलब the kind of diversity which this profession provides, I think that is somewhere which is no other profession can come close to it, and because of that also a lot of people get attracted into this service. तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि सबकी एक अपनी अपनी जर्नी है, अपना फिगर आउट करने का तरीका है. आप खुद इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करिए कि why you want to join this service. Is it just because someone else is pushing you, or is it because something that you want to do? And I think इसलिए मैं 5 अटेम्प्ट तक दे पाया क्योंकि अंदर से मुझे पता था कि I have to do this. क्योंकि शायद ये किसी और से कहीं पे फोकस मिला रहता तो शायद मैं कब का छोड़ के किसी और प्राइवेट जॉब में चला गया होता. बट देन आई फिगर इट आउट कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज आई जस्ट वांट टू डू इट माई सेल्फ. आई कुड सी माई सेल्फ इन टू दैट रोल. When I used to see the videos of the IS officers and IPS officers, I could see myself that yes, this is something which I can do and which that fascinated me. So इसलिए I would say that I wanted to join the civil services.
Sir, can I add something?
Yes.
Then how you can explore in the private services also, no, sir? For providing services, everything, you can be in the private sector and also you can explore. But why only the civil services?
No, can the private sector provide that kind of opportunities? Is that I'm asking you, can the private sector provide that kind of opportunities? They cannot, right? Which is the private sector which has areas in education, healthcare,
Sir,
agriculture?
Not only these things, but we can provide a good app developing, and how it will be useful in such COVID app, Arogya Setu app it came. So it might be developed and providing services for the people. In those way also we can serve the people, right?
Of course, there is not single way to just ये बोलो कि सिर्फ ISC की तरफ से नेशन बिल्डिंग की जा सकती है. That's not true. It was one of the areas which attracted me कि भाई yes, this is area which I want to personally do. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि जो डाइवर्सिटी प्रोवाइड होती है, ये सिर्फ हेल्थ केयर में या सिर्फ एजुकेशन में, मैं किसी एनजीओ में भी ज्वाइन करूँ तो वो सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में काम करेगी, या सिर्फ हेल्थ केयर में काम करेगी, सिर्फ एजुकेशन में काम करेगी. ये एक ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पे कि मैं किसी भी एरिया में जहाँ पे भी चाहूँ वहाँ पे काम कर सकता हूँ. एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई वुड बी पॉलिसी मेकिंग में भी मेरा योगदान इसमें हो सकता है. एक पॉलिसी मेकिंग एक ड्राइवर होता है कि कैसी पॉलिसी एक नेशन चलाएगा, तो ये सब तो सिविल सर्वेंट से डिसाइड करते हैं ना आपके. तो ये सब कोई प्राइवेट सेक्टर डिसाइड नहीं कर सकता. प्राइवेट सेक्टर तो उन पॉलिसीज पे अपना काम आगे बढ़ा सकता है, बट इनिशियल स्टेजेस इज व्हाट दिस द सिविल सर्विस प्रोवाइड. तो आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाई आई वुड. Any question, or
Thank you, sir.
are you convinced, or?
काफ़ी interesting question, but see, my story was different. I was just a graduate, and my father is already a government servant. My grandfather is also they are not in civil services, but I know how this administration works. So I always thought that a person can contribute to the society in any way. It's his or her decision how. So when I was in my BTech, I was not first ready for civil services. I was always doubtful whether I am enough competent for this service or not. But then I realized, while my street play experience I want to quote, that I realized that this country has provisions for everything. Every particular system has laws, policies, government is doing everything. But the implementation part has a lot of lacuna. So to fix those lacuna, you need to have to be in the topmost sort of administration so that you can fix the society. You want to be the change you want to see in the world. That is what Gandhiji said. So I always thought that I want to bring some, smoothening in the implementation part. And this could be done with my set of knowledge and the skill set which I have. I think this could be something that I could do, and I tried. I'm not saying that you just decide that you want to bring a change in the world and you just go and make drastic changes. That is not how system works. The system works with little efforts from everyone's side. You can work in the private sector and contribute to the society. You can also work in the government sector and contribute to the society. It's your call to make. And my calling lied with civil services. And I realized that maybe with my skills, my service and devotion, I could bring some change in the society in a better fashion. That is why I joined civil services. That is what I said, and that is how I got selected. But I would still say, how Akash sir said, that you need to have your own answer to this particular question. For me, it was this process how I decided I want to be here. For you, this could be another answer. Every answer is right for this question, but the reasons, the motivation to your drive for civil services should not be something like for the wrong reasons. You should not pursue this paper for the wrong reasons. Most people think that this paper is associated with an elitism. This is not true in totality. With whatever limelight you get with this paper, you get a lot of responsibility. You have to work really hard to do things. So you need to realize from the very first day of this preparation that what for you're investing. And when you realize, you internalize this feeling that this is why I want to do this, because I want to serve somewhere. In what fashion, that is your calling, but I want to serve somebody. That day you'll find that answer in yourself. You would not be asking this to anybody else. I think that is what I realize.